Hi, my name is Catalin Voicu and I'm a system engineer with N2W. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to enable Cost Explorer in both AWS and the N2W console. First, we're starting in AWS. You need to be on the payor account and you need to go to billing and cost management, then head to cost allocation tags on the left-hand side. And you need to filter for two tags. One is called CPM server ID. The other one is called CPM policy name. If you are on the payor account, you will be seeing them in the list here. Simply select them from the checkboxes and click Activate. This action will take up to 48 hours for AWS to enable. Once AWS has enabled this, they will start populating the cost into the N2W console. So in here, you will be heading to the settings and you will be heading to Cost Explorer. All you need to do on this side is have Cost Explorer enabled. After you did that, and after the 48 hours have elapsed, you will be able to see the cost of your backups taken for AWS resources for each of your policies.